Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with MyBankTracker, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the MyBankTracker website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Start Budgeting button. Click on the button to enter the budgeting section. You'll be prompted to create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your email address and create a password. After registering, log into your account. Now, navigate to the budgeting tool on the dashboard. You will see an option to add your income sources. Input your monthly income, including any side hustles or additional earnings. Next, move on to adding your expenses. List all fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and subscriptions. Then, include variable expenses like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. After entering all income and expenses, check the summary section. This will display your total income versus total expenses. Review the breakdown to see where your money is going. Look for areas where you can cut back if needed. Adjust your expenses manually to set your desired budget goals. Save your budgeting plan to keep track of progress. Utilize the insights and tips provided by MyBankTracker. Monitor your budget regularly to stick to your financial goals. You can update your budget anytime as your financial situation changes. Stay consistent and use the app monthly for optimal budgeting. This process will help you manage your finances effectively. Congratulations, you're now equipped to budget with MyBankTracker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.